just a quick and dirty random access slash what's in the box. Main reason for this is because on a particular Facebook group that I'm a member of, even though I don't really do the Book of Faces, I'm there for just a handful of retro computing groups. There's one group in particular that laments the lack of eBay sellers that actually know how to pack old and potentially valuable computers. So I'm really, I guess I was just going to open this up for my own benefit, but I'm really impressed with how well this is packed. So just to help restore faith in humanity, here we go. So this is how it arrived. Obviously I've opened it up, of course. Here's the steak knife of doom. This bit of foam was on top. This bit of foam was here. This bad boy, that's properly wrapped. It's wrapped so well you can't even tell what's in there. And the cables and the PSU were all wrapped as well. And the good thing with this is you'll note that when it was configured, this bit of foam here was up against the PSU like that. So effectively that meant that the PSU wasn't going anywhere. There was no risk of this flying around the place, because the recent stories I've read about folks buying machines and the PSUs flown about and cut massive holes in the side of, you know, quite an old computer with brittle plastic on it, which is obviously hard to replace. Oh, and by the way, there's one more thing in here, but I'll show you that later because that'll give away the computer I bought. Until next time, see you later.